In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and text message templates in GoHighLevel. Templates save you time, keep your branding consistent, and make it easy to scale your outreach. We'll start by building a clean email draft and then turn that draft into a reusable template you can use again and again. First, sign into your GoHighLevel sub-account. From the left-hand menu, open the marketing section, then head into emails. This is your home base for building and organizing campaigns. Click Create Campaign to start fresh, and choose the blank option so you're in full control of the layout and content. You'll be asked to pick an editor. The Design Editor is a drag-and-drop builder that's great for branded layouts with images and buttons. The Code Editor is perfect if you have custom HTML. Plain text is best for simple, personal-feeling messages. Choose the one that fits your goal and click Select to open it. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Think along the lines of Welcome Series, Offer A, V1. Next, compose your message. Add a strong subject line, write concise body copy, and keep paragraphs short for readability. If your plan supports it, consider using personalization tokens to pull in a contact's first name or company. Make sure links work, images have alt text, and your footer meets compliance requirements. Aim for a mobile-friendly design and avoid overly salesy trigger words that could hurt deliverability. When you're happy with it, click Save. That creates a draft we can convert into a template. Now, let's turn that draft into something you can reuse. Still within the Emails area, switch to the Templates tab. Click New, then choose Create Template from existing campaign. Select the draft you just saved, confirm your choice, and click Create Template. Your email is now stored as a template you can pull into future campaigns and automations without rebuilding from scratch. A few tips to make your library effective. Adopt a naming convention that includes the purpose and version, keep a master template with your header, footer, and brand styles, and clone it whenever you start a new variation. Periodically review performance and update templates to improve open and click rates. While today's walkthrough focused on email, this same philosophy applies to text messages in GoHighLevel. Build short, clear copy, respect opt-in rules, and keep messages highly relevant. Maintaining a parallel library of message templates will speed up your workflows across channels. That's it. You've created a polished email and saved it as a reusable template inside GoHighLevel.